How to fix Spotify Premium not activating.
Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started.
Now, maybe you have bought a new Spotify membership and maybe it's time to renew a membership. Whatever the reasons, maybe you do have a premium account, you're sure of that, but when you log into the app, you don't have the premium account at all. So the very first thing I want to check over here is check or log into spotify.com from your browser, and then log in from your browser. Then just check your plan right over here if you have a premium free plan. So if you have a free plan, most likely it is because your premium has actually expired, or maybe the payment details fail and you might want to upgrade it again. But in case you have a premium plan, what you want to do is first of all open up the Spotify and maybe just bought premium. So what you want to do is first of all log out of this current account. So to do that, just tap the gear icon from the top right hand side of the screen, scroll down to the very bottom and then just select on log out. And then just tap on log out again, and now once you've logged out of Spotify, you can just log in from your app store, and then on the search bar just search for Spotify application and just verify whether or not the Spotify app has an update available. If it does, then make sure you just tap on the update button, as you can see in my case as well. So I have the update button available. So after the update is complete, open the Spotify app, and then now you can log into your latest Spotify premium account, and this time the premium will be successfully activated. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today, and see you next time.